Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can change your password in Ring app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to change password in Ring, all you need to do is simply open the Ring app by tapping it open from your home screen. So once you do this, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the hamburger like icon on the left hand side of the corner and tap on account settings. So once you do so, you need to simply scroll down and tap on the password option, where you need to now tap on the update option. So once you tap on the update option, first of all, you need to verify yourself by typing in the password of your account and hit the continue button. After doing this, you will now need to type in the verification code, your number, and enter your new password for your account. Once you type in the new password, retype it to confirm it and hit the change password option. After you do this, your password will be changed after a quick verification by proving yourself as a human being and not as an AI. So after all these procedures are completed, your password on the Ring app will be changed. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.